Dear students, today I am going to teach you Lok Adalat. Lok Adalat means People's Court. It is an alternative dispute redressal mechanism where dispute case pending in the court of law or at litigation stage are settled amicably. Meaning, if any dispute is there between two party, it is pending in various stage. I mean, lower court, high court, supreme court. Means that is the pending one, and easy way how it will be settled, by that only the concept of the Lok Adalat came to existence. One very famous personality name I would like to mention. You should remember this fellow name. On the recommendation of the Justice P.N. Bhagwati, very honorable person, very talented person, P.N. Bhagwati. Okay. On the recommendation of the P.N. Bhagwati Committee, Lok Adalat was set up by the Legal Service Authority Act 1987. It is a legal thing, which one I am telling. As a legal forum to provide legal aid and quick justice to those who are not in position to eager lawyers or bear the expenses of the local proceedings. Dear students, you know that if any case is pending in judiciary, so it is necessary to hire lawyer. If anybody is going to hire lawyer, so definitely he or she have to pay some money. If person is very poor, person belongs to underprivileged group, so it will be very difficult for that person to bear that burden. So to provide justice to grassroots level, this committee, P.N. Bhagwati Committee, was set up, and finally, on the recommendation of the P.N. Bhagwati Committee, the Legal Service Authority Act 1987 was passed, and it was legalized. Lok Adalat came to existence. The Legal Service Authority Act 1987 provides that state or district authorities shall organize Lok Adalat from time to time. All decision of the Lok Adalat shall be deemed to be decrees of civil court and shall be binding on the party to the dispute. Main condition of the Lok Adalat is that both parties in a dispute should agree for a settlement. Try to understand this one. If party number A and party number B both having dispute and matter going in Supreme Court, High Court, or in any other court, and it is pending, means last 20 years, 10 years, 5 years, both party are agreed to sort out their dispute. What they will do? So first they will write one application, manual application I am talking, no need of any lawyer. Very easy way they can go to Lok Adalat, and it will be situated in nearest place, because if you are going to High Court, so High Court in UP, you can go to Allahabad, or you can go to Lucknow. So lot of expenses will be there if you are going to Lucknow. So how to provide quick and inexpensive justice? Means very less money will be spent. So that's why Lok Adalat came to existence. Voluntary organization organize such courts in place like factories, farms, commercial complex, and neighborhood of the litigants to settle dispute in the spirit of harmony and compromise. The case are settled informally and cordially with the involvement of the conflicting parties. Lok Adalat also resolved the cases which have not yet gone to the any court. The Lok Adalats were serve the following purpose: to provide legal and quick aid and quick justice to those who are not in position to engage lawyer, means underprivileged group, to relieve the court of heavy backlog of the cases. Many cases are pending because availability of the judges, and more cases are pending. Okay, so that is heavy burden on the court. So Lok Adalat decrease the heavy backlog of the courts to eliminate high cost and delay in the imparting justice. One more, my students ask question: type of Lok Adalat. National Lok Adalat. National Lok Adalat are held at regular interval where on the single day Lok Adalat are held throughout the country in all the courts right from the Supreme Court till the Taluka level. Here the cases are disposed of in huge number. From Feb 2015, a National Lok Adalat are being held on a specific subject matter every month. Permanent Lok Adalat are organized under the section 22B of the Legal Service Authority Act 1987. These adalats have been set up as a permanent bodies with a chairman and two members for the providing compulsory pre-litigating mechanism for conciliation and settle the case related to the public utility service like transport, postal, telegraph, etc. Here, even if the parties fail to reach a settlement, the permanent Lok Adalat have the jurisdiction to decide the dispute, provided the dispute does not relate to any offence. Further, the award of the permanent Lok Adalat is final and binding to all the party. Dear students, one very important point is there. If Lok Adalat sort out the dispute, then respective party can't approach to any court for appeal. Means if Lok Adalat has been solved the dispute, that is final. Anybody can't approach to other court. Okay, so 2-3 point is there: quick justice, inexpensive justice, and erase the burden of the courts. Clear? And justice will reach at grassroots level by Lok Adalat. These are main points. Now, working of the Lok Adalat: judges, law graduates, public workers or social workers inform the litigants about their rights and duties. The judges of the Lok Adalat are actually conciliator. These adalats are assisted by legal aid committees and social action group which advise the people about legal matter and help them to solve the cases by mutual participation. Thus, they try to bring compromise or agreement between the parties. The first Lok Adalat was held at Junagadh in Gujarat on March 14, 1982. Advantage of the Lok Adalat: the Lok Adalat play important role in the settlement of the family feuds, dispute between neighboring and minor cases of assault and injuries by setting the dispute through compromise. Since the Lok Adalat work in the spirit of the compromise and understanding, both of the party feel satisfied. Lok Adalat deliver fast and inexpensive justice. This is keyword beta. Lok Adalat delivers fast and inexpensive, means less money, or we can say minimum money. Any person can move Lok Adalat by an application on the plain paper or using the formal available with the Legal Service Authority Act experts is speedy justice. The Lok Adalat reduce the workload of the other courts, enabling them to deal with the more serious matter, thus reduce delay in higher courts. Lok Adalat promote social justice by providing legal aid to weaker section of the society. So in this video only this much, and scope of their type of Lok Adalat: National Lok Adalat and Permanent Lok Adalat. And one more Lok Adalat is there, Mobile Lok Adalat. I think you have seen this one. Mobile means that Lok Adalat will be moving from one place to other place. I am going to tell 1-2 lines, then you'll understand. These mobile Lok Adalat are organized in various parts of the country in multi-utility vans which travel from one location to another to resolve the petty cases and to spread legal awareness among the people. I think you have seen some vans for medical care. Likewise, okay, mobile Lok Adalats are also established. So in this video only this much. Thank you.